Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 11, 2023, Monday. So tomorrow is option expiry for FinNifty. First the level, then we go into the discussion part of it. FinNifty closed at 21,214.70, absolutely flat. Yesterday meaning Friday, it closed at 21,213.8 or something, 85 or something, absolutely flat. BankNifty 47,314.25, 0.1% up. And Nifty 2997.10, 0.13% up. All these three indices opened slightly lower and formed a Doji or inverted hammer. That means slightly upper wick, which tried to go and touch the Bollinger Upper Band but could not touch the upper band, and thereafter it formed a Doji. So normally what I have been telling here is that now from here the upper band is going to go on increasing while the price will try to go up, or price will stagnate there while the upper band will keep going up. So hence there might be some pullback that will come, after which once it will make one more attempt to go and touch the Bollinger Upper Band. That is what technically it will happen, which is why in this particular week we will have a Doji in the weekly chart or slightly a small red candle in the weekly chart. That is very much possible. One more thing we have to note here is that in the daily chart the upper band is above, but all the three indices are above the upper band in the weekly chart, but once again below the upper band in the monthly chart, but above the upper band in the weekly chart. That means the weekly upper band is going to act as a very strong support for it. The bulls will not allow it to go below that level, at least till the end of this week. Then anybody who is looking at should look at where the upper band is, because it's a dynamic level. Every day it changes. Hence, during the trading hours, traders should look at the upper band and accordingly make their entry and exits. That is how one should play, using the upper band from the lower side. On the upper side, there is no levels that is available. So overall, what is happening? Because of such a massive move that we witnessed last week, we are expecting a sideways or a Doji or a small red candle this week, with Bollinger Upper Band on the weekly chart acting as a good support. That is the overall structure and texture of the market that is going to be there till the end of this week. With that background, let's go into the discussion. Today, because it has formed Doji, obviously almost everything remained more or less the same. In the banks, Axis and IDFC First Bank 1% down, ICICI and IndusInd Bank 1% up, Yes Bank 2% up. In the financial, IDFC, M&M Finance 1% up, Chola, Manappuram and Serum, IDFC, M&M Finance 1% down, Chola, Manappuram and Serum 1% up. All others remain sideways. That's why you see that FinNifty remains sideways, BankNifty also remains sideways. In the insurance and cards, ICICI Pru 1% down, all others sideways. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remain flat. So that's why like Nifty also just 0.13% up. In the IT, you had Coforge, SCL Tech, LTIM, TechM 1% up, Intellect 4% up, Affle had a massive move of 5%. In the consumer goods, HUL and Pidilite 1% down, ITC, Nestle, PVR and Trent 1% up. Automobiles, Eicher Motors, M&M, Maruti 1% down, Escorts, Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, Tata Motors, TVS Motors 1% up, Motherson 2% up. In the metals, nothing went down. Metals had a good day basically. Jindal Steel, JSW, Coal India, National Aluminium, NMDC, Tata Steel and Vedanta 1% up, SAIL 3% up, Jindal Steel had a massive move of 5%. Health and Pharma, it was a mixed day. Cipla, 1% down, Lalpa 3% down, Dr. Reddy 5% down, Thyrocare 1% up. Dr. Reddy was some news driven, some US regulators inspection and other things. Okay, these are all technical moves that happened post an event. Hence, there is a strong selling pressure that had erupted, due to which Dr. Reddy's had a massive fall of 5%. In the others category, Zomato 1% down, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Indigo 1% up, DLF, APL Apollo, IRCTC, MCX 2% up, Polycab 4% up, Ultratech, UPL and Aries 3% up. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry for FinNifty tomorrow? See, it's very clear. On the upper side, there is no levels that is available. So then what is that one can think of? The monthly Bollinger Upper Band, which is currently at 21,439 levels, plus roughly around 100 points above, will be something nowhere which will act as a resistance, because even if it were to touch the upper band and go above, that there will be slight pushback that might be coming in. So because there is no levels available, even the Fibonacci 161.8 is above. So hence that is the level above. As I said, like it is above the weekly, hence nothing can be said. As far as support is concerned, it is the previous week low. What is previous week low? It is 2493.05. I mean, of course, it will not go there, but still, that is what one can safely say that will be a support. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.